Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick little video. Due to our traveling last week, this arrived the day after we left for Myrtle Beach. And I did get one thing in Myrtle Beach I thought I'd share with you. I got this really cute mug that says Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So that's my one of my cute little reminders of our fun trip out to the East Coast. So all I did was peel this open. Actually not very good, because that would take up way too much time, but let's see what we have in here. Okay, so the first thing I see is this beautiful brown or purpley, I don't know the names of all of the Lush leathers and all of the other leathers that they've added since after the Wanderlust and all of those. This is a beautiful coaster. Ooh, I've always wondered about the Stella, and I'm glad that they included a Stella sample. It does feel like the Rowena leather, and I do love the fact that it's gray. That could be a future purchase. Okay, so there's a couple of business cards, and so my invoice. So I couldn't remember exactly what mine was. The mystery sale HC A5S A5 notebook jacket. I wanted something A5 or B6, so let's pull it out. Oh, look at this pretty blue. Okay, so forgive me, but I don't know the name of this color. Is it that blueberry one? I don't even know the leather, but it is beautiful. The only thing I can see is the line where the elastic was, but I mean, that happens on all notebooks, like here on my... That's beautiful. Let's look at the inside. And it's got the pocket for the front cover and the pocket for the back cover, or you could, you know, stick one notebook in here and one notebook in here. Let me see. Here is a, I'm not sure if this would fit. This is a Breeze by Taroko Design. It's an A5. It is, as you can see, a dot grid, I hope. They're nice faint gray dots, which I like. And this one I started last year. This was my One Book July book. And you can see I only got maybe halfway through it. But it has 182 actual dot gridded pages. So let's see. Ooh, that fits that really nicely. Make sure you can see that. And then there's a little extra room too. I have an A5 similar to this by a maker by the name of Sojourner. And what I did, this is actually a Foxy Fix A5 dashboard, or plastic pocket, I forget what you call them. And I have one here too. And what I did is I have 3 inserts that are in it. That was one of the little drawings that I finished and watercolored when I was at Myrtle Beach. But let's see. Now these should fit it. This is just a Taroko Shop Tomoe River paper insert, the white. So, you know, you could use this for more than one notebook. So there you can see there's the big thick notebook and then the little insert Or you could probably even use it the same way I had it set up. I had this dashboard around it. I had it to protect the insert, but I also had it to give the folio, because this is a really floppy leather, and it's like a beautiful summery color too. And so here's a blank Tomoe River insert. That one was white. This one's cream. Some goodies I bought. So let's see. The only thing I could think of why it might be here is I know some of them have like a card pocket or something like that, but I really can't see, like, even this the backed over stitching is really quite nice. Maybe it's just a color that wasn't wanted, but me being a guy, this beautiful, it looks like a nice, you know, navy blue. But see, there's two inserts, and then if you wanted to, oh, these are amazing. These are the Viva watercolor sheets that I got, I think, a year ago. And this is my newest set of watercolors. They're the St. Petersburg Biele Noci White Nights. And they are beautiful. They're like Daniel Smith quality, but like not even a third of the cost. They're wonderful. And then just some different things I've been toying with. And then I wanted to see what the Jane Davenports look like on the white, because I normally use cream paper. Anyways, oh, there, some little pieces. So I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of this gorgeous notebook that arrived. I will link Foxy Fix down below. I'll also link Mylk Shoppe, since I talked about their Taroko Breeze, which is an A5 in the Tomoe River paper. And they also make A6 and a couple of other things that you might like to find. And of course, look at these cool coaster. And I'm seriously thinking about a passport now in this beautiful gray. Okay, well, I ramble on about that. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.